front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select floating window and enjoy operating your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use your app in full screen view, hold this line at the bottom and drag it all the way down. When you see this white area, let go. If you want to use more options of floating window, click on those three dots at the top and operate all of those. To close your window completely, you can hit close here, or you can swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!